Why, good morning, it's Kat right here. So today I'm going to be showing you cleaning out my chicken coop. My chickens live in a room of our barn. We have wood chips laid in there. They're quite dirty now. We're just gonna rake them all up, put them in the garbage can, and get them out. So this is our chicken coop. I just got a bunch of scattered stuff in here, but this is where chickens live and they have a great life. Okay, now that I got a lot of the wood chips all shoveled up into the garbage, just wanted to show you this is where most of the chickens hang out. You can see all the poop on top. This and this were some shelves that were built by my grandma and grandpa. Basically, we were reusing them, so we took them apart, just laid them next to this cupboard. This was from a kitchen cupboard, kind of my storage with other things, but we just gotta shovel off this because, yeah, like I said, this is where the chickens hang out. There's a lot of poop there. Now that I scraped all this off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these cupboards and I'm going to just tip them over and just scoop out the insides. Kind of clean up around the back. Okay, so you can see here that I got all the cupboards and shelves moved and I got all this swept up and shoveled up. Now I'm just going to put all this back. Voila, there we go. Now the chickens have somewhere to hang out. Occasionally they go inside of these, but really not that much. But at least it gives them this to hang out on. Okay, now that I got most of this cleaned up, I'm just gonna finish touching this up, then we'll put in the new wood chips. All done with at least that. So one thing I forgot to add was all of these wood chips and all the chicken poop. I'm going to take it to somewhere in my yard and we're going to use it as fertilizer because all that chicken poop, all those wood chips can be really good, especially since around our house a lot of our dirt is kind of clay, kind of thick, hard for it to breathe. So just add this to that. It's really healthy for it. Okay, you can see I've cleaned this all out. Now let's get the wood chips in here. I'm lucky because I just buy this one thing and just fills this whole room just perfectly. Okay, now that I am basically done, I'm going to give you a small little tour of our chicken coop. So like I showed you before, it's part of our barn. Just a room that used to be a storage room of my grandma and grandpa's. So there's our little hen box where the chickens lay their eggs. There's just 4 of them in there. They really don't hang out there unless they're going to be laying. A big white tub is where we keep the food. We just put new bags of food in there, just scoop them in to the little hangy food dish. That thing goes up and down on that string, usually hangs down just above the ground. This is our watering dish, and then like I showed you before, over here is where the chickens basically live. You just stay on top of that other than when they're roaming around the yard. We made this little thing for them over here, but honestly, they really don't hang out there on it very much because I learned about chickens is they like to have something solid underneath them. That is our clean chicken coop. Well, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. And remember, work hard, play hard.